Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how we will install Elasticsearch and Kibana in Windows 10. Alright, so for first thing, what we'll do, we'll install, we'll download the Elasticsearch setup. So for that, you can just, there are many ways to, you can just take like a zip file or a MSA file. For this demo, I'll be selecting this MS file. So you click on that and it will be downloading. As I already downloaded, I'll just cancel this one for and similarly you see you can download this Kibana and it usually comes in a zip file. So as same thing, you just click on this Windows and you will be able to download. Once you download, you will be able to see two files, elasticsearch.msi and the kibana.zip file. So first we'll install this one. Alright, so we will be selecting the default settings. I'm not going to change and just reduce this one since it's just a demo. If you want to install any plugins or something, you can select either of one. Okay, so since I'll be showing a demo, so I'm selecting a basic one. Otherwise, you can go for a trial, and then if you have a license, then you can put that value also. So I'm selecting the basic version. I mean basic license. Okay, so once this is downloading, sorry, installing. What we can do, we can unzip this file, which is already here. I have already unzipped it. You just need to go into this config file and open this kibana.yml file. All right, so once you will track this one, you just keep scrolling till you see this elasticsearch.host. So since we are installing in a local machine, so that is why I'm just saying http colon localhost, and this is the default port number if you have not changed anything. Okay, so just so by default, you like once you will unzip, you it will be like this. You just need to uncomment it and just save this file and close it. No need to change any other configuration. This configuration is you need to change when like let's say you want to run Kibana on a different port number, then you can uncomment this one and just put a new I don't know, whatever the right port number you want to have it. Similarly, like this one, if you have installed this Elasticsearch on a different machine, then put that host name and the port number of that particular thing. All right, so I'll just close this one. Let's see if it's installed. Okay, so you can see it's installed successfully. You just click on this one. If you are able to see local this JSON, like by going to localhost 9200, that means your Elasticsearch is up and running. You can see the tagline as well. All right, so now it's time to install Kibana. And Kibana is basically just you can say it's like a batch file which you can run it. And so it since it will be running in a console, but if you want to make it running all the time, so we can then you can use something called NSM non-sucking service manager. That tool is very useful. So what it will do, it will run that batch file in a background. So there is one more video is already on that topic, by the way. So you can have a look on that. I'll put the link also in the description. Alright, so let's go to the unzipped folder of Kibana, which is over here, and I already told you which line you have to uncomment. Then simply just go to this pin and just double click on that. Let's wait. Normally it takes like 5 to 10 seconds, so it will be up and running. Okay, so you can see now it's running, and the port number is 5601. Let's copy it. So as you can see now it's running. Okay, so normally you will be most time you will be coming to this stack management. So that's where you will be seeing all the index management. That means like whatever data you will upload, which those data will be showing over here. Each data will have its own index name. So that will be showing over here. And you have to create that index first. So what will happen when you will upload the data, that data will be showing over here. And then you just create an index on that. And once that activity is over, you can just, visualize that data. So for that, you need to click on this icon and then go to this discover, and this is the place the table will be coming where you will be applying a lot of filters and all. So let's do that. So first I'll do for this demo, I'll just simply upload a normal CSV file. So for that I should be having let me track this database, sorry, I mean diabetes CSV file. Okay, so it has close to I think 6 records, and let me import, and here I can say manual upload. You can give any name by the way, and just click on import. So you can see the data is imported. Alright, so if you want to discover, I mean, you want to see the data, if you want to see what you have uploaded, I mean, without filter, just like you can just see. Okay, so it's showing you the frequency also, and I mean, distribution, like what age is, like it's like between 21 to 50, like that. I mean, like all the data, whatever is you have uploaded actually. Okay, so now what you can do, you can click on that icon, go to discover, and that's where you will be able to apply all the filters. So for example, let's say I want to see only age, all the records where age is, let's say 31. Okay, so only one record is there, so I'll just say age. So there's the, and you can see these many family entries are there. Majority of data is like between 50, 33, 32, 31, and that 21. Since I said 31, so I'll click on this plus, and it's showing one record. Okay, so if I want to make it like a different value, I'll just simply say, let's say 50. If any records are there, it will show. So since the record is there, that's why it's showing. Let me remove this and see if something is there. Like you can see the class 1010 is there. So if you want to say I want to get all the records where class is equal to 1, so I'll say class. So you can see all the data like it's filtered properly. Alright, so now let me show you now how you will be creating a dashboard. So initially you won't be having anything, just click on create new dashboard and just create new panel, and this is the place you will be like what you want to see in what kind of data, right? I mean what kind of graph. So for example, let's say I want to see number of, like let's say pregnant. So I'll just select that and drop it over here. Now I can say records, or I would say let's say age. Age is there, yeah. So you can see like it's a tree map. By the way, let me go a different one. So you can see they are like the age is 21 and the number of pregnant person is 1. In between like age is 31 there is 1, and this like between age is 32 that it has number of pregnancies 8, and the age is let's say 50. I mean it's just a sample graph I created. You can just play with that, like how do you will be like like plotting, or if you want to see data and all kind of data graphs you want to, like let's say you want to see bar percentage, or like donut you want to see, all kinds of graphs are there. It depends how what you want to see on axis is what you want to see on y-axis, like that. So these are all the things you can do over here. All right, that's it about this video. Thank you very much. In the coming videos I'll be showing you more about this elk stack. Thank you very much.